Today I'm actually going to be doing an unboxing of my LuvMe wig. I'm so excited. I've been waiting. It keeps showing up on my page, ads. So I'm like, you know what? Let's try this. Let's see what they're talking about. So let's go ahead and open it up. I love the packaging. It's nice and wrapped in the box. So we're going to take it off. I'm going to open this box up for you. It says, enjoy your hair journey from now on. See, that's how it looks when it comes. And, nice packaging. So beautifully packaged. I love it. So, let's get into what's in here. So this is the wig in the bag. Okay. We also got some headbands. Let's open it up. Oh. Sorry about all the noise. So it came with some headbands. Okay. Oof. We got a lot of options here. So we got, what's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 headbands. Love it. Okay. Also, came with the wig cap. And it came with a little pouch. Super cute packaging. Okay. Let's open up the pouch. Okay. Super cute, a little LuvMe clip. Okay. It's a little Velcro strap. Some tweezers. Little edging comb. Okay, I'm gonna put all this stuff over here. And some hairpins. And what is this? I don't know. Let's see what it is. Is it a bonnet? I don't know. Let's see what this is. Okay. Oh, it's like a scarf to tie around. Okay. Okay. So that is everything that came in the box. All this back in here. I don't think I'm going to need all this, but, just sit it in here for now. Oh, let's put this back in the pouch. Super cute. I'm excited. Okay, so, throw that over there. So let's get into this wig. So my hair is typically always like this because typically I braid it down, take my braids out, and I have my curls in the morning. But we'll leave it braided so we can put the wig on. Okay, so gonna take it out the package. Okay. Oh, it feels really nice. It does feel good. Okay. Oh, got caught up and tangled up a little bit there. Okay, so it has a little Velcro. In the side, it has the combs on the inside of the wig. Okay, I like it. It feels nice. I think I got the 12-inch. I'm pretty sure I got the 12-inch. Okay, of course, we're going to have to flatten that out, but let's get started. So, take my little scarf off here. This is just how I sleep at night, so that in the morning, I can take my little braids out and get started with my day. But, okay, I'm going to put the wig cap on to cover up my nice braids so that I can still take my hair loose and be curly. Okay. It's 2 of them in the pack. Okay, so I was struggling. So I'm gonna put it on to protect my cute little braids so they don't get all fuzzy. Okay, let's see if I can figure this out. Look, we're gonna learn together. I'm not a wig person. I either get a sew-in or I just wear my hair natural or a bun. So let's see. Okay, I'm gonna use a little, oh Jesus, okay, I should probably start with the middle comb. Slide it back, okay. there. Okay. Okay, so that's that. Sorry, y'all, I'm over here struggling. Okay, so, and it's on. Okay. Now what we want to do next? We want to flat iron it a little bit. Let's give it a little life. Little life. My brush. It feels so nice. Do I have it on crooked? It doesn't matter. It's nice. I mean, you really could just leave it like this. I woke up like this. Let's see. Yes, I'm using the camera as a mirror. Okay. I probably should have brought my mirror in here in my office. I don't know why I didn't do this in the bathroom so I could see myself. What is flat ironing? Nice. Is it my flat iron or is it the hair? I'm not finna, look, don't judge me. I'm not trying to be cute. I'm just trying to make it look a little bit small. If it looks like I'm looking off to the side, it's because I'm looking at myself. Okay. I wonder, yeah, that's my braid. That's probably got it sitting up like that. But still, oh my goodness, I love it. Oh, what? Tell me. I know this thing every day. I'm just trying to do a little something. I'm not trying to do too much. I just wanted to see how it looks up. Look at me poking up in the back. This is like the bob, I think. I'm pretty sure this is the bob. Okay, y'all. Tell me how I'm looking. I mean, honestly, you don't need to put another headband on. I'm gonna do it just so we can see how it looks, but like I always see people put a headband on top of it, but this is a headband. Who knows that this is a wig other than you? So this is super, I love it. Okay. I probably could have done a much better job at flat ironing. Let's see what we can figure out. So like I said, I'm not trying to be cute. I'm just trying to see how it looks. I'll style it for real later. Okay, sis. Okay, sis. I see you. Let's use one of these little headbands. This one kind of match my outfit. So we gonna rock with that. All right now. Okay, honey. Oh, yes. Oh, tell me I'm not ready for the world. Okay. I love it. It feels really nice. And the only thing I don't like about sewing sometimes is like when I get a bob, it's like in my face. And I have eczema, so everything that touches my face breaks my face out. But this, I can wear it and it's not touching my face. Okay. I love it. Okay, thank you. So far 10. A 10 for now. It's a 10. Definitely giving the 10 vibes for the day. Okay, let me stop feeling myself. Comment below what y'all think. Anybody tried it before? But I like it. So until next time, people, that is the LuvMe headband wig. Pretty sure it's the 10-inch. If not, don't worry about it. I'll put it in the description. But I'll go to my order and see exactly what I ordered. Pretty sure it's the 12. Did I say 10? I think it's the 12-inch. Anyway, so that's the wig. Oh, she look fly. I've had my natural hair for so long, y'all, I forgot how I look with straight hair. I ain't had a silk press or nothing, but this saves me from having to press in my own hair after all the work I done did to make it look good for natural. Oh man, I mean, it is like body. Yes, It feels so soft. See you next time. Thank you for watching.